Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Solution Times. Today I'll show you a different types of method or different types of income source. Now I'm going to my browser and look at this. It's a PTC site and it also be a PTC site. The site almost same. Now I'm showing how to create a account using this site. This site's not a large income site, it's a so small or pocket money site. And then this site tasks are so easy, every person easily works the site. Now I'm going to this site and write this link and click register now. Enter your user name, enter your email address, enter your password, enter your confirm password, then click you register now. I have a account, that's why I'm not create a new account, that's why I'm logging to my account. And look at your interface, user ID and password, and get login. Look at this site is add fund method or payment method, perfect money and payer, and withdraw method. It's so small points you can withdraw instantly, such as 1 to 0 coins in your perfect money and 100 coins in your payer, and easily exchange your coin in this site. Easily update your plan and enjoy your earning. Easily click upgrade, then you get payment and view it. It's the largest task and a lot of tasks in here. And now I am select one and click this ad. Look at this ad is showing and time counting. On this time is complete counting, then look at this, it's a capture. 5 plus 2 equals 7, click 7, then thank you for your visit and close this tab and you earn this coins. Lot of tasks in this site, that's why I say it's a very simple, same as how I looked in this task. Again I am showing a ad. Look at this time counting, it's only 5 seconds. And how many stars in available here? 5 star, and click thank you for your visit and across. Look at this my balance, then and reload my page. Look at this, it's upgrading and add my balance. If you want to provide your ad, then you create a campaign in the sites. Daily if you earn a bonus, banner bonus, then you click any ads when the ad is showing, then click get a bonus, then look at this is 2-point bonus, and a lot of people earn a lot of bonus, and this ad is left one day. If you create a banner in your URL, in your referred URL, then copy this link and provide in your site, and you paid and 10% to refer advisement, 5% from deposit. If you create an account, then you use my referral URL. If you comment me, then I will provide my URL. Now I am going to a withdraw method, 120 coins withdraw limit, and already I am add my perfect money, then it's provide in there. I have 135 coins. When I am click withdraw, Look at this. My point is out and say it's credited in my account. Instantly payment in your account. That's why this site is instant, is lazy. Now I'm going to same types of site, another site, this site, urbanclick.com. Same as you click register, enter your username, enter your email address, enter your password and create account. Then create a account. I have an account, that's why I'm going to log in. Username, password and sign in. Now I'm inside in the side and same as add fund, payer, Perfect Money, Frozen Play, lots of add fund and withdraw, same as if you easily exchange in the side and plan. You can easily choose this plan and you collect your coin. I'm collect my coin and it's also be a viewer and earn coin. I'm click a add, then open a new tab and run this ad and same as select capture. Look at this capture is completed and I have earned. Same as click one more ad, select capture and complete the job. Now I'm reload my page. Look at this, it changed. Now you easily use daily bonus. Click this link banner, then you get bonus and click and earn 1 coin. Look at this, a lot of people are earn a lot of money. Same as you use a referral in this site, copy this link and provide in your friends or use a banner or HTML codes in your site. If you need this site's URL, then you comment me, then I will provide my URL. Now I'm complete my some task. Now look at this, I have 120 coin in my balance. Then I'm going to withdraw. I'm already add my Perfect Money account, that's why I'm right in here 120 and withdraw. Then successfully paid successfully. Look at this is paid. Now I'm going to my Perfect Money account, then I'm logging and watch my payment history. When I'm logging my Perfect Money account, then you look at this, it's my payment history, which time add my Perfect Money account dollar and which side is provided. Look at this, in instant payment. Now I'm going to my account and dashboard. It's my purchase balance, and when I'm buying a plan, 2 cent, 1 cent, $1 and it's a lot, $200, 9 plan in this sides. If you add fund and buy this package, then you per hour earn 800 coin and a lot of viewers. That's all about my video. If you any question, then ask me, and you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.